Alright YouTube, D3J here. As you know, it's hot here in Alabama. It is hot already. And I'm getting ready to go down to back to New Orleans and head down towards Gulf Shore, Orange Beach. And it's really going to be hot down there. So I figured, I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube of people making the homemade air conditioners out of the coolers. So I thought I'd give it a shot just to see if it actually works or not. Because in the back of the bug out vehicle, it's pretty warm. Let's see. Right now is 85 inside there. That's with the windows open and the fan blowing. Let's get a shoot here. Temperature coming out of the cooler is going to be 78. And let's see what this happens when we put the ice in. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and add the ice. It's not a whole lot, but it should be enough to make a difference. I would think anyway. Oh yeah. Alright, and we said it was 79 coming out just a minute ago. Let's see. It's definitely cool air coming out. It's showing 74 right now. Let's see what happens if we put a little water in there. Take another temperature right quick. It's like 73. 73 right now, so let's put a little water in there and see if that changes. That didn't work out so well. Yeah, it's actually dropping. Down to 70, 68. About 68. It's holding steady about 68 right now after you put the water in there. And you can tell that the air is quite a bit cooler, so this might just work. We will see. Stay tuned next. We're going to talk about the curtains. Had a couple of people ask me about the curtains inside the truck here, and it's just a simple safety pin and a cable connector and some bath towel. So we'll talk about that shortly. See you next time. Alright, excuse the mess. I didn't clean up this morning when I woke up. So yeah, I'm testing out the and it's sweating. God, I'm sweating. Testing out the I guess the redneck air conditioner. We're gonna see. I know you can't see it, but it's 89.6 in here right now. We're going to turn on. I changed it a little bit. Put this fan in here. And I'm going to leave it. Right now it's 70, 75. Looks like 75 is coming out of it right now. But it's definitely cooler than here on the roof. So we're going to leave it run for about an hour, and we'll see what the temperature is inside again. Alright YouTube, alright, sorry about the last one. I didn't have the camera facing where I could see. Didn't realize I chopped my head off, but Yeah, I did. It's been about an hour now, and I believe it was around 86 or 87 degrees in here when before we turned this on. And like I said, it's been running for about just over an hour. And let's see, 83 right above. I mean, you can definitely tell a difference. You can feel the difference in here. I think what I would probably end up doing is put that pipe so that it'll be blowing directly over here. As a matter of fact, let me try that. That's actually, you got the cold air blowing right in your face, so I think it might be a winner. You know, a little ice, a little bit of water, and yeah, I think it might actually work. So we will see. I'll do a follow-up whenever I get down to either Orange Beach or maybe when I get over to New Orleans, and we'll see what the temperatures are down there, and do another test while I'm down there. All right, thanks for watching.